Hey babes, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I can't believe it, but today in the mail I got the most amazing packages from some of you dolls. Actually one came the other day, but I figured I would show you guys today in case some of you didn't see it. I know there was a problem on my live and the videos weren't being shown. I don't know why. It was the music, guys. I found out there was music playing in the background. They said it was copywritten music and it was blocked from being played, so a lot of you dolls were getting the message that said the video was not viewable and was not allowed to be played. And that's why, because I had been playing holiday music in the background and they were like, no, you know, you're not allowed to do that, copyright, whatever, some kind of copyright claim, and so they blocked it from being viewed at all. Oh my god, so crazy. So who would think for holiday music? But anyway, so I had shown a few of these items that I got in the mail from some of you dolls on my live, but like I said, they blocked it. But today I got this amazing package from Jana. Oh my god, Jana, I can't believe it. First of all, this is so heavy. So I can't in a million years even imagine what is in here. So many of you guys know Jana. She is just the most amazing friend, not just to me, but to so many of you guys. I see her going around on your guys' profiles, giving her entries for contests, and she just likes to make people's day. And then she had so many of her own issues at home and things going on, and yet she was still thinking of us. I mean, I just can't believe it. Because I know that she really wanted so many babes to win giveaways and she was trying her best to like help other people win. And then for her to send me this package, I mean guys, it's huge. For her to send me all this in the holidays with all she had going on, I can't believe it. But guys, I just wanted to open it with you. I'm so overwhelmed, truly. So I'm just gonna open it. But guys, I was having a really bad day today, and then this came in the mail and I was just like, oh my god, look what she did, guys. She wrapped it. There's a Christmas box in here. Oh my gosh, she's so thoughtful. Look at all this bubble wrap. And guys, can I just tell you, I'm so crazy, Jana, but I'm obsessed with bubble wrap. So I really appreciate that you protected the gift, but also I'm going to be saving that. I'm a little bit obsessed with bubble wrap. Oh my god, guys, so here it is. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I can't even believe this. Oh my god, look how creative she is. This is absolutely gorgeous, just this box alone. Oh my god, I don't even want to open. It's so beautiful. I'm really gonna cry. If I start crying, don't be shocked. I just can't believe it, guys. Like I always say, I can't believe that I have such good people in my life like you guys now, and friends, and oh my god, this is like really overwhelming for me. Oh my god, I can't even open it. Oh, look, she sent me, oh my god, it's a card, and oh my god, look at this, guys. Okay, I'm gonna have to, I don't know what to open first, Jana. You are too much, girl. Oh my god. You're so nice to know. Oh my god, look how cute. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Oh my god, you're one person and you too cute. Oh my god, how beautiful. Oh my god, thank you so much, Jana. I don't know if she wants me to read out loud, but she said also how happy she is that she met so many of you dolls. She mentioned you guys in there too. Oh my god. So guys, look what she said. Oh my god, Bath and Body Collection hand cream. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with hand cream for real. Hand cream, body oil, and body wash. Oh my god. Oh my god, cotton, pure cotton. Oh, Korean Beauty cotton. Oh my god. Jana, you are too much, doll. This is amazing. Look at all this stuff in here. Oh my god, one of my gifts would have been amazing. Oh my god. Rosemary mint candle. Oh my god, girl. I'm really gonna start crying. I'm just trying not to mess my makeup up because I'll look like a fool. Oh my god, what's this? Oh my god. Another Asian Beauty. Oh my god, what is this? It's so cute. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, girl. You are, God has truly blessed me. It's really miraculous. It's truly, I mean, I had a lot. Oh, I just can't believe it, guys. I don't care. You know what? I just like to be real, be myself, and be honest with you guys. And I am really so overwhelmed and so happy. Oh my god, so this is like a little blush. How cute. And it has a little tiny bow. Oh my god, a little blush. And it's the perfect color too. It's like a peachy pink, so that's perfect. Well, she is you are a makeup artist, girl, so. Oh my god, guys, look at this nail polish. Chrome nail polish. This is beyond. This is just beyond my oh no, you didn't. Oh, guys, she sent me an amethyst. Oh my god. You guys know I'm obsessed with amethyst. I always have my amethyst bracelet on. Oh my god, I can't even. I don't even know what to say. It's truly miraculous to me to have you dolls in my life. So wonderful, so nice. It's crazy. It really is nothing short of crazy for me. So this is a little nugget of gratitude amethyst, a healing and balancing stone. Amethyst helps reduce anxiety, insomnia, and impatience while allowing room for peace. You will never obtain peace in the world until we make peace within ourselves. Oh my god, Reiki infused. Oh my god. I'm gonna put that right in my bra, Jana. That's why I put my crystals right in my bra so I can absorb the energy. Oh my god, thank you so much. I really needed that too. Oh my god, another crystal nail polish. Oh my god, you are so amazing. You are so, look at this, guys. This is insane. This is so amazing, guys, and there's more in here. I can't believe this. Oh my god, look at this gorgeous lip from Wet n Wild. Oh my god, pink shimmer. Yes, thank you. Oh, look at these little bags that she put everything in. Everything came in like a little bag that she did so perfect. You're a perfection. You're a perfection. Oh, so this will look so gorgeous with this. This is a gorgeous eyeshadow palette from Revlon. Jana, romanticism. Oh my god, Jana, I love everything romantic. Wow. Oh no, and a Burt's Bees tulip tie. Oh my god, can I tell you? Guys, I am so obsessed. I never in my life wore like lavender lips. And then I never went for lavender lipsticks ever. And lately I had gotten the lavender lipstick from ColourPop, the Ponyland, and it is the most gorgeous. It's my new favorite color. So, and it's running out, guys, already. It's already running out, and I'm like, what? Because it was limited edition. They're not making it anymore. But look at this, guys. Jana, you are so crazy. This is like the same color. It's like lavender. It's not showing up. It looks kind of nude, but in real life, it's like a lavender. Oh my god, I cannot. Thank you so much, Jana. Oh my god, lavender. And this probably feels so good on your lips because Burt's Bees has that, you know, lip conditioning and all of that. So that's lavender color, girl. Yes, I'm so happy. Thank you. And I didn't have. Oh guys, look, she sent me press on nail stickers. Oh, I'm definitely gonna wear these. Oh my god. And then guys, another box. Guys, isn't she amazing? You are so amazing, Jana. I can't even believe it. I can't believe how blessed I am. It's just really crazy. Oh, oh no, she didn't. Oh my god, guys. Isn't this gorgeous? I never in my wildest dreams thought there would be this gorgeous. I thought I had already seen it all in this gift. Oh my god. I have to put this on right now. Oh my god. I can't even tell you, Jana. Thank you so much. I am seriously on cloud 11 right now. I can't even believe it. I can't even believe it, girl. Oh my god, you are so amazing. Thank you. And everything's so thoughtful. So thoughtful on top of it because you guys know I do love jewelry. And then I had my other necklace, my Shop LC, and I was wearing it all the time. To be honest, I wore it so much that I swear to God, I'm not even joking. But the other day I was like, you know, I wish I had another necklace, and I don't. I have one other necklace like that, but it's kind of like summery colors. So I didn't want to wear it, but this is so perfect because I could wear this all the time because these colors are like more neutral. Because the other necklace I have like this is, it's like a bright orange, so I didn't want to wear it in the winter, but now I can wear this. This is so crazy. This is everything that I truly wanted, you know, like it's so crazy. So I have my other, I wish I could take my other. See how it just goes with everything? Oh, it actually matches my outfit better than the one that I'm wearing. Oh my god, guys, I wish I had this on from the beginning of the video. Look at it. Guys, isn't that gorgeous? Oh my god, and then of course, and then comes with the matching earrings. I can't wait to wear these. Oh my god, thank you so much, Jana. Oh, and look at this, hearts. I just saw that the candle has hearts all over it, and I love everything with hearts. That's my thing. Oh my god, thank you so much, Jana. I can't even begin to thank you enough. And I'm can't believe how blessed I am to have you and all the other amazing babes in my life. It is truly miraculous. If you had seen, like I say, I hate to bring you guys down, but I wish you could have seen how I was before, how sad, you know, how sad I was, you know. And I just wished and wished. I'll just show you really quick though. I know most of you seen it, but guys, did you see what Cindy had sent me? She sent me this gorgeous Athena palette, which is an exact dupe for the Huda Desert Rose or Desert Dusk, one of those desert palettes. Guys, it's this same exact thing, and I've been using it, and it's the same exact quality, and this is only $10 from Hush. So I wish that I had known this before I bought my Huda, but this is just so amazing and so wonderful for her. She sent me this, and she sent me this one, which is a Lime Crime palette dupe, and oh my gosh, so she sent me these two. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Cindy, again. I know I unboxed, I had showed you guys the other day, but I wasn't sure, but I just wanted to show you guys again because I just love it so much. And guys, she also sent me the Laura Geller lipstick in chocolate raspberry. I believe I have it here, but now I can't find it. Everything Jana sent is, oh my god, took over. And guys, I just wanted to show you also, so Cindy had sent me this color called chocolate raspberry. So gorgeous. It's crazy how beautiful this color is, and it's so funny too because I wanted this lipstick so bad. I wanted this palette so bad, but these were sold out. And then this lipstick, I wanted it, but I was being very strange, and I was like not letting myself buy it because I was like, oh, you have too many, and I was like, you can't buy it. I'm very weird, guys. I'm very strange, so if you didn't notice. So guys, I am wearing my new Coastal Scents eyeshadow palette today, and I have a tutorial of this look coming out soon. I love it so much, so I'm so happy about that. So I have so much to be thankful for. I can't even thank you guys enough for all of your love and support and friendship. A lot of you guys know different things about me that I really, you know, I didn't really have any good people in my life to give my love to, you know, or you give them your love and they don't reciprocate, and it's really heartbreaking. So for God to have given me you guys to love, to think about, and then for you guys, the way you reciprocate and you do so much for me, and you care about me and love me also, I mean, just think of me and send me presents and gifts. It's just really truly the thought that counts. Although, like you guys know, I love makeup and I love the presents so much. But even if it was, you know, a rock, I would, you know, it's so thoughtful, and I appreciate it so much, and I'm so grateful for you guys, and I'm so grateful to God for bringing you all into my life, and I could just never ever be more grateful. And please believe that your dreams will come true, and when you think they're not going to come true, but for me it took a long time, but it will come true. You know, everything you dream of will come true. Sometimes you might have to wait a while, so hold on, keep dreaming. It will happen. It will truly happen if you hold on and don't give up and don't give in, you know. So don't give in to the bad thoughts and the negative thoughts that tell you it's never going to happen. So just give up dreaming or wishing, you know, because it will come true. It will. So thank you guys so much again. Thank you, Jana. Thank you, Cindy. Thank you to all you babes so much. All of you, every single one of you. I truly love you so much. I truly wish that all of your dreams come true. And I'm rooting for you. I'm wishing for you all the best. And everybody here is wishing for each other, and which is so amazing too. So I cannot be more grateful. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much again, Jana. Thank you again, Cindy. I love you guys. Thank you everybody for your friendship and love, and I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you soon. Love you. Bye.